Marquez comes out of the slipstream. Has he got the inside line? Please get out of the circuit. Look at all these riders. Oh, goodness me! Goodness me! It's exactly what you don't want to see.
Debut of the Mandalika International Street Circuit of Indonesia.
The Indonesia Grand Prix will be something very particular. I have been visiting last summer the venue, and will be something very, very special. And we are very glad that this is a possibility, and for us it's a step. It's very important step for the future of MotoGP.
Mesmerising racetrack, beautiful scenery, vociferous support.
In the future, we will be developing around 12,000 hotel room keys, a lot of commercial space, as well as a marina, theme park in the northern eastern part of the destination.
Passion for MotoGP in Indonesia is incredible. Sometimes it's also difficult to control, and so I'm very happy to be there, because we will have a lot of fans, and also the track will be very interesting.
Indonesia, thank you for the incredible job in Mandalika GP. Thank you for all your support and for becoming a part of the future of MotoGP.
Thank you, Indonesia fans. We can wait to race in Mandalika GP. Ciao, ciao.